Welcome to Ambur, Tamil Nadu's leather heartland. Today we are stepping inside its famous shoe lanes and factory outlets to see what really makes this town tick. There are different types of shoes available here, from rugged boots to everyday loafers to casual wears and even formal wears. You'll hear original and first copy. Originals carry brand QC, better leather cuts and consistently lasts. First copies might nail the look, but adhesives, lining, hardware often tell another story. These shoes look really awesome. I like the look, the finish and the cut. It was just $3.99. Unfortunately, I couldn't find the size. There are thousands of shops available here in Ambur. You can always bargain for the best price. Just next to the railway station, the Bazaar Road, you will find these shops. Always thoroughly check your shoes, try them on, because there are different types of leathers available, original and duplicates. In this shop, we have found a lot of shoes and leather bags, sling bags, luggage bags. As you can see, lots of colors and varieties were available. We also found a lot of street side shoes available, but again finding the right size is difficult if the shoe is good but not able to find the right size. Thanks for watching.